So we are here at Secret Garden. It's all vegan sushi. As you can see, we ordered 4 different types. I'm gonna try one now. What I do is usually I put the wasabi in my... We do that too. Nope. Das ist kann gar nicht mehr. Mischung aus Englisch und Deutsch. Gut. So, I'm gonna try that one. I have no idea what it is, but it looks pretty awesome. I think it's some fruit, but it's awesome. So I'm here at Zen House, which is a fully, it says vegetarian restaurant, but I think it's all vegan. And I ordered it's vegan sushi with black rice and stuff inside. And this is vegan, what do you call ente? Vegan duck. We haven't tried that yet, but I'll try this one in a second. And yeah, and I'll let you know how it is. So I just tried the sushi, which is pretty amazing, and I tried the vegan duck, which honestly, the texture and the taste is so real to me that it scares me. I'm actually eating it, so I could only recommend this place especially if you love Asian food. This is great, and I think we're gonna order something else after this. Yep. We're here at Avocai and I'm having, this is a lot, it's a red rice salad with sweet potato, zucchini, spinach, curcuma, hummus, beets and tofu. And it looks pretty amazing and very healthy. And it's not a only vegan restaurant, but it's also, they do have eggs and other things, but you can probably veganize everything on the menu, which is great. So yeah, I'm gonna go my lunch now.